In this video, I will be telling you how to use Google Pay card on iPhone. For that, I will be telling you step-by-step guide on how to do that. Simply, what you have to do is to download the Google Pay application on your Apple phone. So go to the Apple Store and download the Google Pay application. So after that, sign in with your official account. If you don't have one, just create one. And after that, add a payment method. Tap the plus button and then you will be able to add your credit card or debit card. You can either enter your card details manually or use your iPhone camera to scan or capture them automatically. After that, set up a screen lock, and then at last, what you'll be able to do is to make a payment. So to pay at once, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal until you see a check mark on the screen. Ensure the NFC is enabled on your iPhone and that you are holding the device near the NFC reader. You don't need to open the application, it works automatically. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.